Tiger Muay Thai. The two top gyms out there in Phuket, Achilles.
South of Kyrgyzstan, moved to the capital, Bishkek, at the
Казакбай really strong off that back position. So we're gonna see
They take their bathroom break right now because this will not.
Holding an MMA record of 12-4. Representing Russia, Ivan Parshikov. And introducing his opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Ihlas Bishkek and Tiger Muay Thai, holding an MMA record of 5-1. Representing Kyrgyzstan, Казакбай, Tlenov.
Come red, here please, blue here. On my left please. All right, you both understand the rules, all right? Let's keep this clean, keep it active. Obey my instructions at all time. Touch glove if you want and back to your corners.
Referee Mohammed Sulaiman.
О бонус бул супер фишка. Омайла нашын колдонобуз. Бонус алабыз. Кофе ичебиз. Бонус алабыз. Сүйүктүүлөрүбүзгө гүлдесте тартуулайбыз. Бонус алабыз. Үй бүлө үчүн сатып алууларды ишке ашырабыз. Бонус алабыз. Өзүбүздү эркелетебиз. Бонус алабыз. Анан бонустарды каалаган нерсеге жумшайбыз. Же телефондун балансына которобуз. О бонустар мына ушинтип айланып жүрө берет. Өтө эле жөнөкөй, өтө эле пайдалуу.
Giving the final instructions. Parshikov in the purple and black.
Let's go.
Tlenov in the white, black, and blue. Immediately, Parshikov comes forward, utilizing that lead side. As Tlenov goes up top off the switch stance. Big double leg as Parshikov gets the hands locked together and works past the guard. It looks like Tlenov is looking for a guillotine. Adjusted into it, Achilles.
Yeah, he had good control there, but Parshikov just...
Hey, watch for your head back. Watch for your head
no
back.
slouch on the ground, you know, he knows what he's doing there. Tlenov turning into an armbar there. Armbar back, getting the extension. He's got leverage with the cup as well. That seems to be on. Parshikov gets the lift. You know, in some cases, that might make the submission deeper. Tlenov doing a good job so far. Keeping control, forced to go back to some kind of guard and abandon on the submission there because Parshikov too tough, too strong to catch early on. But again, good flexibility. Tlenov getting right back into the position. There you see the extension, and that is on, ladies and gentlemen. But Parshikov, he's very strong. He's going to take this pain right now and see if he can put enough power. You see that the angle there of what Parshikov is doing right there, staying calm. Knows that he's close to tapping, so he's trying to get the right angle there so that he can put enough pressure on Tlenov to stop the breathing and get a little smash pass here.
Tlenov being very aggressive off his back. Both fighters are fighting for that possible $100,000 contract into one championship. Every fighter dreams of making their debut on the world's largest stage of martial arts, as Parshikov is trying to work past that half guard, dropping some ground and pound.
Tlenov already has a submission win from the armbar, from the bottom. Good job for Parshikov to weather that storm. He's progressed to a top half guard position, short shoulder strikes there just to make Tlenov feel uncomfortable. This is a brawling game. Tlenov does not want to play with Parshikov. He needs to get that underhook if he has any chance of getting back up to his feet.
Yeah, Parshikov's showing really good physical strength in these top positions, you know, and it's a dangerous game to play, but perhaps he was baiting the sub a little bit too, and like you said, looking to smash him down and make the pass.
Tlenov works his way back into full guard. Very active off his back, immediately threatens with the armbar again. He's got to be careful kicking up to the head of a grounded opponent as Parshikov continues with that top pressure.
Parshikov now starting to get a rhythm. He's felt the strength and the power of Tlenov on the ground. He feels confident enough that he can withstand the Kyrgyzstani submission attempts. Parshikov is going to start raining down ground and pound like you see there right now.
Yeah, it's those little shots, and, you know, one single shot isn't a ton of damage, but they accumulate over time. And what they help Parshikov do is pass to these more dominant positions.
Parshikov looks to take the back. Good defense from Tlenov to defend as Parshikov presses him into the corner and fires a knee.
This is relentless pressure from Parshikov. He's felt like he's stronger than his opponent. He's showing that right now. Big double leg takedown just now. Straight to the guard. There you see. This is MMA. This is what the difference is between MMA and pure striking and pure grappling. Is that these shots that are coming down from the top for Parshikov, for sure, they are not making Tlenov feel comfortable at all.
You know, yeah, the thing is, Tlenov staying very busy on the bottom. The problem is if you're not pushing out some damage, if you're not hurting your opponent, you know, you're not scoring points.
Beautiful float over from Parshikov as he's just riding Tlenov as he's trying to struggle. 40 seconds to go in this first round. Parshikov letting the ground and pound fly. Tlenov trying to sneak outside the back door, but great control coming from Parshikov as he unloads.
Yeah, the heavy hips from Parshikov here, able to keep Tlenov on his back, raining down shots from the top. And again, the fluidity and the transitions. Parshikov, position to position, able to get a read on his opponent, to mount, to side mount, to back mount, constantly raining down shots. Big round for the Russian Parshikov.
Fighters are fighting for an invitation into one championship, the world's largest stage of martial arts. And immediately, Parshikov wants to get back to the mat work as Tlenov lets the hands go. Please keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is the global MMA rule set. Bouts are judged in their entirety, not round by round. So think of it like one big round.
Big uppercut there from Tlenov, catching Parshikov. He's trying to come in for a takedown. Back to where we were in round one with that constant, relentless grappling pressure from Parshikov. It's Tlenov. He's going to need to find different answers to this.
I like the way Parshikov chains takedowns together. He's not just getting stuff, he'll transition to doubles, to singles, work his way to the back. He's relentless in his hunt for the takedown. But Tlenov did a great job of stopping the takedowns and keeping up with the pace that Parshikov set.
Parshikov trying to breathe with his mouth open now. Takedowns are taxing. The timing is good. Tlenov able to reverse the single leg attack there from Parshikov. Might end up in a good position to go for a submission attempt. But again, the strength and the position of Parshikov one step ahead.
Yeah, Parshikov was looking a little bit fatigued there on the feet. You know, that's part of the gamble. You know, the relentless pressure into the takedown takes a lot of conditioning. But now he's back on top, and he's so comfortable here. Yep, he's locking up that top position with the arm triangle and moving around.
Has to get to the other side, though. But that head is under the arm, so the arm triangle is there. But Tlenov did a good job of getting the hand out of the way. But now he's got to dig that underhook on that left side. So he has to get his arm underneath the arm of Parshikov, but chooses to turtle over and does a great job to get back up on top and throwing some ground and pound as he takes the back.
Very good agility there with Tlenov, because he's able to sneak up on the back of Parshikov. Parshikov in trouble here as he scrambles to get back onto his feet. Taking a bit of medicine of his own there.
Achilles, this is such a grueling battle, just constantly transitioning from position to position. The energy demands that this type of match takes is just extraordinary.
Yeah, that's why both of these competitors are super fit. They are in the best shapes of their life. They take advantage of this opportunity, biggest opportunity they have in their life. Parshikov, after the fight that he had with Ben Royal, really was to make a statement here against the debutant of Kyrgyzstan as he throws leather in the pocket there.
Yeah, Parshikov letting his jaw hang open here a little bit, which is dangerous in these standing exchanges. And Tlenov looking like he's got a great gas tank, and he's ready to duke it out on the feet a little bit.
Yeah, Tlenov looks fresh, fired up, landing big shots as Parshikov looks like he's slowly starting to fade.
Tlenov now really showing off his agility, his spinning techniques, the variety in techniques here, really impressive in Tlenov.
Yeah, Parshikov, his guard is down, his jaw is open, he's not blocking shots. You know, this is a really bad position to be in. Tlenov can basically pick and choose and throw what he'd like.
1 minute to go in this second round is a beautiful adjustment from Tlenov, and now the ground and pound from half guard as he steps over easily into full mount. 1 minute to go.
Yeah, that really was a beautiful counter to the takedown of Parshikov. Tlenov able to land on top, ran down some very effective ground and pound. And again now forcing Parshikov to turtle up. Pepper shots him and moves one step closer to finishing this fight.
I like how Tlenov is blending in the striking with his grappling. He's not just trying to hold on to Parshikov and get into a dominant position, but he's punching his way into these more dominant positions. Now in full mount, 15 seconds to go here. Can Parshikov survive, or will Tlenov get it done in the second? This is what he called for. He said that I would finish him in the second round. Let's see if the prediction comes true for Tlenov, and it doesn't. Parshikov able to survive on One Friday Fights. This is the place where you have to show dominance every single time you are inside this ring. And right now, Parshikov, Tlenov need to turn things up in this third and final round.
Tlenov coming out definitely looking like the fresher of the two. Parshikov is going to need to dig deep. He's going to get close to any kind of finish. You want to make a prediction here. Tlenov is looking sharp with the striking.
You know, and that's the thing. Parshikov here looks very fatigued, but even a cornered rack and fight, Tlenov needs to make sure that he doesn't let his guard drop. He doesn't get too complacent. Pump the jab, be smart, throw the leg kick. You know, maybe he wants to shoot the takedown now, but don't just stand before Parshikov.
Oh, Parshikov tried to engage into the outside trip, but Tlenov just settled into it, put Parshikov on his back, and is now letting the ground and pound fly. You can see Parshikov trying to go deep halves, trying to get an underhook on that leg so he can possibly sweep and create some movement, but the heavy hips of Tlenov are just keeping him in spot and dropping the ground and pound.
I mean, we've seen Parshikov hit off submissions from the deep half before. He likes to roll into the knee bar, but that does take a lot of energy to do, and it does not look like Tlenov is ready to give away any mistakes here or lose this position. He looks quite happy to just rain down ground and pound from here, but like I said, he needs to be careful that Parshikov doesn't get underneath Tlenov's body, pop him over, and maybe go for a sneaky little knee bar there inside.
But Parshikov is fighting. He's keeping that will to survive and to thrive alive as he's punching from the bottom, working in half guard, not quite having a lot of success, not doing a lot of damage, but he is showing Muhammad Sulaiman that he is still in this fight.
Oh, he's definitely got a lot of heart. And Tlenov is just sticking to the game plan. There you see the roll into the knee bar. Tlenov knows what's up. And he covers his and that's enough. The referee does not want Parshikov to take this fight off.
Well, it's good strategy from Tlenov. You know, he had good position. He could throw shots from the...
Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 7 seconds in the third round, your referee has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, by way of technical knockout,